Hey travelers, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest gadgets for all your travel needs. Today we've curated a list of the top 5 best travel gadgets that will enhance your adventures and make your journey a breeze. So let's dive right in. Number 5. VSSL Adventure Flask Kit. First up on our list is the VSSL Adventure Flask Kit. This all-in-one gadget is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and those who enjoy a good drink while exploring. If your journey stretches past dark, trust that the powerful 4-mode LED light and precision compass will help you find your way. Once you've set up camp, it's time to celebrate. The Adventure Flask Kit combines a sleek, durable flask with a multifunctional LED flashlight, a compass, and 2 collapsible shot glasses. It's a compact and versatile solution that allows you to carry your favorite spirits, stay prepared with essential tools, and light up your surroundings when needed. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply enjoying a picnic, the Adventure Flask Kit is an excellent addition to your travel gear. This flask is built for adventure. Virtually indestructible, watertight, and ultra-compact, it's the ultimate vessel to carry your favorite spirit into the wild. The VSSL Adventure Flask Kit combines the convenience of a flask with the practicality of essential outdoor tools. With its durable construction and compact design, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. The integrated LED flashlight ensures that you're never left in the dark, while the compass helps you navigate your way through unfamiliar territories. The collapsible shot glasses add a touch of elegance to your drinking experience, making it perfect for sharing a toast with your fellow travelers. Number 4. Lark SelfCleaning Purvis Bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial during your travels, and that's where the Lark SelfCleaning Purvis Bottle comes in. This high-tech water bottle is a game-changer for any traveler concerned about water quality. The Purvis bottle uses UVC LED technology to purify your water and eliminate up to 99.9999% of harmful bacteria and viruses. It's also equipped with a self-cleaning mode that activates every 2 hours, ensuring your bottle remains clean and odor-free. With its insulated design, the Purvis bottle keeps your beverages cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours, making it a reliable companion for all your adventures. The Lark self-cleaning Purvis bottle is the perfect travel companion for health-conscious individuals. With its UVC LED technology, you can trust that your water is purified and safe to drink, even when you're in remote locations. The self-cleaning mode takes away the hassle of manually cleaning the bottle, saving you time and effort. Its insulation capabilities keep your beverages at the desired temperature, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing drink wherever you go. Number 3. Polaroid Originals Now I-Type Instant Camera. No travel experience is complete without capturing the moments. That's why our next gadget is the Polaroid Originals Now I-Type Instant Camera. This modern take on the classic Polaroid camera brings back the joy of instant photography. With its retro design and vibrant colors, it's not only a functional device, but also a fashionable accessory. The Now I-Type offers easy point-and-shoot operation, and within seconds, you'll have physical prints of your cherished memories. It's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for capturing unforgettable moments on the go. The classic iconic analog instant camera comes with autofocus, a self-timer, and double exposure. All in a classic design and now made with 40% recycled materials. Compatible with Polaroid I-Type and 600 film in the original Polaroid instant film format. The Polaroid Originals Now I-Type Instant Camera adds a nostalgic touch to your travel adventures. Its simple point-and-shoot operation allows you to quickly capture and print your favorite moments, creating tangible memories that you can share or display right away. The compact size of the camera makes it easy to carry, and its vibrant design adds a splash of personality to your travel gear. The Polaroid now selects which lens is suitable, meaning you can take beautiful photos in more places, more often, with less hassle, even without the flash. Number 2. Trova Go Biometrics Stash Case. Next on our list is the Trova Go Biometrics Stash Case. The Trova Go Biometrics Stash Case is a portable and secure storage solution designed to keep your valuables safe. It is a compact, sleek, and discreet case that incorporates biometric technology for secure access. The case is equipped with a fingerprint sensor that allows only authorized users to unlock and access its contents. The Trova Go Biometrics Stash Case provides a secure storage space for items like cash, credit cards, jewelry, medications, and other small valuables. Its compact size makes it convenient for travel, allowing you to keep your belongings protected wherever you go. The case is constructed with high-quality materials to ensure durability and resistance to tampering. One of the key features of the Trova Go Biometrics stash case is its advanced biometric technology. By registering your fingerprint, you can ensure that only you or authorized individuals can open the case. This adds an extra layer of security, as traditional locks or combinations can be bypassed or forgotten. Additionally, the Trova Go Biometrics stash case offers connectivity options through a companion mobile app. The app allows you to manage access permissions, view the case's activity log, and receive notifications if the case is tampered with or moved. This feature provides peace of mind by keeping you informed about the status of your valuables. The case also features a rechargeable battery that provides power for the biometric sensor and connectivity functions. The battery life depends on usage but is designed to last for extended periods between charges. The case can be conveniently recharged using a USB cable or a wireless charging pad. Overall, the Trova Go Biometrics stash case offers a combination of security, convenience, and portability for safeguarding your valuables. Number 1. Beltroy Tech Kit. First up on our list is the Beltroy Tech Kit. This compact and stylish travel organizer is a must-have for tech-savvy travelers. It's designed to keep all your electronic accessories neat, organized, and tangle-free. The Tech Kit features multiple compartments and elastic loops to securely hold your cables, chargers, adapters, and even small gadgets like earphones and USB drives. Its slim profile allows it to fit perfectly into your backpack or carry-on luggage, making it a convenient companion for any trip. With the Beltroy Tech Kit, you'll never have to worry about losing or misplacing your essential tech accessories again. The thoughtfully designed compartments and elastic loops ensure that everything stays in place, even during bumpy rides or turbulent flights. No more untangling knots of cables or digging through your bag to find the right charger. The Tech Kit provides quick and easy access to all your tech essentials, saving you time and frustration. And there you have it, our top 5 best travel gadgets for a hassle-free adventure. From keeping your electronics organized to securing your valuables, capturing memories, staying hydrated, and enjoying a good drink, these gadgets are sure to enhance your travel experience. Let us know in the comments which one caught your attention the most or if you have any other travel gadgets you'd recommend. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, happy travels.